YouTube. Today we are doing an airsoft gun collection. Today this is the spring powered airsoft gun. It is the HA112. Let's start with this. I have done a review already on this, but I have put more attachments on. It's got a laser that you press by here. So yeah, that's that gun. I am getting a new one. I'll do a review on that as well. It is the M4 carbine. It has a mag capacity of 180. Let's move on to this. This is the Well D90H, or as you say in Call of Duty, P90. It comes with, mine just came with a silencer, and it came with the gun, a cleaning rod that you use to clean the end, and it came with a target. Yeah, and it came with a target that came in the bottom end. Here it is, target, and you get a net in so it catches the BBs in the back. That's all it is to my BB gun collection so far. Let me show you the safety. I think I've done a review on this, but on JT Videos. This is a new channel, so you've got to have seen it. Yeah, it's got that. Yeah, that's the safety there. So, thanks for watching, comment and subscribe.